Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict again here from Jagging and Company Associates. And now I want us to see how we can append tables from different data sources. So let me show you the different data sources that we can source data from. This I'm just giving an example. So we have here we have Excel file, that's the data source, and then we also have a PDF file as the data source. So within PDF file we have February sales. So here we have February sales, of which we have 6 columns and 10 records. 6 columns and 10 records. So the same applies to January sales. January also we have 6 records and rather 6 columns and 10 records. So we want to append an Excel file with the PDF file, or rather we want to append data from Excel file with data from a PDF file. So let's see how we can do that using Power BI. So first let me close this file for Excel, and then I'll just take you to Power BI. So for me again we'll go to get data. So I will start with getting my data from Excel workbook. Then I will pick January sales, then open. Then I can decide to load, or I can decide to transform. Well, let me just use transform data. Then after clicking transform, we'll be taken to Power Query Editor. Then from Power Query Editor, we need to again to add the PDF file. We need to add the data from the PDF file. So we'll go to new source. Then I will click on more queries for the more data sources. Then I will click PDF. I will connect. Then here I will choose February sales and then open. Then from here now I will choose a table. We have the this one is the PDF file, and this one is the table within the PDF file. So I'll choose table and click OK. Then now we have the two queries, data from Excel file and data from PDF file. Then now we need to append the two queries. So again I will go to combine function just on my right. Then I will choose append queries. I will click on this, and then I will choose append queries as new. Then now we have two tables. So the first table will be January sales, and the second table will be table 001. Then I will click OK. So here now we have the appended table from query 1 and query 2. So we can also rename this table as Jan, Feb sales. Then from here now we can disable these two queries for January and this one for Feb that came from PDF. We'll untick this enable load box. The same applies to this other one for table 001. We'll untick the enable load box. Then now our data is ready, our query is ready to be loaded into Power BI. So we'll just click close and apply. So this is the table that has been appended from Power Query. So we can use this to create reports or some visualization. So when you want to see the kind of data that we have within this appended table, we'll click on data view icon, and then you can see the kind of data that we have from our appended table. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how we can append different tables from different data sources. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.